Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail password without recovery email. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share this video if you find it helpful. Shout out to my 569 subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Without further delay, let's get started. First, go to Gmail sign-in page. Once on the page, input the email you would like to recover. Once you are done, click on Next. Now you will be required to input your password, but since you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. Now Google will send a verification code to the phone number attached to your Gmail account. Click on Text if you would like Google to send you the verification code as a text, or Call if you would like Gmail to send you the verification code through a call. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will click on Text. If you don't have your phone number, you click on I don't have my phone and follow the process. Now, as you can see, Google sent the verification code to the phone number I attached to this Gmail. Now you can either update your password if you forgot it, or click on Continue to enter into your Gmail inbox straight away. So in case you forgot your password and would like to change it, simply click on Update Password. Now you can create a new password. Be sure to mix your password with alphanumerals and characters. Your password should be at least 8 characters. Just input the first password and confirm it by re-inputting the password there. Once you are done, click on Save Password and your email account password would be successfully changed and saved. And this is how you can recover your Gmail password without recovery email. That is all for this tutorial, friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you so much for watching.